The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Plymouth County in northwest Iowa, northwestern Woodbury County in west central Iowa, northeastern Dakota County in northeast Nebraska, southeastern Union County in southeast South Dakota, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Jackson and moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near South Sioux City around 5:55 p.m. North Sioux City and Stone State Park around 6 p.m. Jefferson around 6:05 p.m. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Plymouth and Woodbury, and Dakota, Nebraska, and Union, South Dakota.